Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to e-file divorce in Illinois, updated. Begin by creating an account on your county e-file portal and review local court rules carefully. Prepare Form 1A and summons documents accurately, include Form 1099 if financial disclosure applies, and double-check party names and case numbers. Upload PDFs, pay fees with a credit card, or request a waiver, and track confirmation emails to ensure start assembling required documents early to avoid delays in e-filing your Illinois divorce. Create a clear petition that states grounds and relief sought, and attach a parenting plan if custody is an issue. Include financial affidavits listing assets, debts, and income, and be ready to upload marriage certificate and ID. Save files as PDFs, label them precisely, and verify each upload before submitting to the county portal for processing. Follow a step-by-step routine when e-filing to prevent rejections and delays. Start by signing and notarizing documents as needed, then scan or apply approved e-signatures, saving everything as labeled PDFs. Log into the county portal, complete the online filing form, and attach documents in the correct order. Pay fees by card or submit a fee waiver, then save the confirmation and note any case number assigned by the court.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.